headlights. I can't see nothing. I tried scrubbing, I tried dubbing. Wax on, wax off. But in a week or two, they're cloudy again. So let's replace these buggers with some high quality components. Why don't we? Now this is a 2007 1500 Silverado Classic. It's a classic, which means it's the old one with the Vortec. So it pretty much lasts forever. It'll outlast your headlights for sure. You're sick and tired of scrubbing these? Why not replace them? Let's get it done. What do we got here? High quality parts, I mean Visote. Visote. High quality, direct fit, plug and play. Got it off the Amazons. They ship these all the way from Amazon? Man, they must have big factories in that jungle. Alright, let's look inside and see what we got here. That's got quality written all over it. Let's go ahead and see what we got in this box. I tipped it up so you can see. Look at this. It's high quality. See this gloss? It gives you step-by-step directions, kind of. Visote. Factory fits. So here's just got a 3-year warranty, I guess. But this truck here is going to last 30 more years. Oh well, what are we going to do? We'll just add a 0 there, right? So I wear these. They're like $71 and change on the Amazons. And they come with the bulb. I don't even have to mess with those. So let's open her up. Now let's see what we got here. Oh, that looks good. Oh, awesome! Look at that. And again, bulbs are pre-installed, so you don't got to worry about them. That one. It's got some extra O-rings. Oh, these ones aren't installed. So we'll have to install the O-rings on this. It said it came with light bulbs, but it did not say it came with the turn signal lights. I know I got one of these burned out over there. Dang it! I gotta buy one. Dang it! Yeah, it didn't come with the turn signal and the day running lights. So, like I said, I got one burned out. That's why I bought this in the first place. Okay, they look pretty decent for what they are. Looks good. I'm not complaining. All right, let's put these on the truck. They look good, bright and shiny. That's bright and shiny. All right, step one, you gotta get the dang hood open. The door's locked. Easy peasy. All right, she's open. Ooh, messy in there. So, I guess you could say, step one. Oh look, it's working now. That light was burnt out last week. Anywho, let's get to work. So, I don't think you have to remove the grill. Let's give it a shot. But the grill isn't hard to take or hard to steal. Pop this pin out, piece of cake. Pop this out. And as you can see, there's 2 connectors over here. I'm not going to remove these halogen bulbs because those come with them. Don't need to replace those. So just going to pop these out. Bada bing, bada bang. Easy peasy. How do you get the other one out? I don't know. I think you just pull it. Oh, there's a little tab down in there. If you look down in there, there's a tab. You got to push on that. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's there. You push over on that tab, and she comes out, you know, with your grill too. And then this basically comes out. Twist these 2 buggers out. Don't do what I did there, but my light bulbs are kind of dirty. Here's a third one, give us a squeeze and a twist, and bada bing, bada bang. Now I'm gonna go in the house and wipe those bulbs off a little bit. The orange paint's coming off that one, which is typical. So I would say, you know, when you're replacing these, maybe replace that bulb. I'm not gonna do that right now. Just a mental note. So there's the old piece of crap. Rinse and repeat on the other side. Pull the pin. You gotta go under the shroud. Got it. What do I do with the other pin? Don't forget where you put those. Give it a wiggle, give it a waggle. Disconnect. Oh no! Disconnect. Ta-da! It's done. This side. Oh. I'm going to keep those bulbs because if the Vizotay's got some cheap bulbs in it, I might reuse these ones because they're fairly new. They're only about 7 or 8 to 15 years old. They still got a lot of life in them. All right, where's that side tab? That's the tab I'm pressing right there. So go ahead and pop those bad boys out. Awesome sauce. Many of you has asked, should we recycle these? And I say yes, let's recycle them into the earth. Into the earth. Now, in about 7 or 8 years, those will slowly biodegrade and then just feed the grass growing over here. And it'll be awesome. And they'll have nice green grass in those 2 spots. I'm not throwing those because those got good halogen bulbs in it still. All right, my car is not blind. My truck is blind. I'm blind, I can't see where I'm going. I took the eyeballs out of my truck. All right, let's set the stand right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and just wipe these off. I'm not touching them with my fingers. No, you don't matter to touch these balls. Oh, look at that. All the orange is coming off that. Now I should replace that. But I won't. All right, I'll wipe that off. And now it's like brand new. All right, let's get the replacement bulb. Here's the brand new one. I don't know why it's blue. And El Pilo El Tapo. Oh, you little stinker. It conveniently says 12 volts, so you don't plug that into your wall socket at home and light your entire living room. Dang it! You gotta peel all this paper off. Elsewise, you'll have some light air leaks. Peel, peel, peel. Oh. Nothing's peeling out right. All right, I'm gonna later. Dang it. Pick, pick, pick. All right. Oh, stickers are removed, but you still have that residue left. I gotta go in the house and go get some stuff to clean that off. Got some good old fashion car quest brake cleaner. Because nothing works better on cleaning headlights than brake cleaner. Oh, it's a full bottle too. And I'm just cleaning that residue, that sticker residue off the lights. It's conveniently also removing the paint. You got some quality here. But we'll pretend we didn't see them. Alright, so got that cleaned up. It literally removed some of the silver. Shit. Yeah, you won't notice. Alright, let's plug her in. La 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 la, waiting. La 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 la. Ah, you know what? I'm gonna pull these out because that is not a tight fit. So it did come with gaskets. So they had the foresight to realize that these gaskets get old and replace them. So we're gonna do just that. All right, new gaskets coming in. Pop that on there. It's the old gasket. Pop a new gasket on there. Okay. Out with the old gasket. In with the new gasket. Out with the old. In with the new. These are much more silicone-y. I'll tell you, look. That's a new word, silicone-y. They're extra sticky. Alright, let's oh yeah, that's snug as a bug and a rug. That's probably why these filled with condensation in the first place. The gaskets wore out. Who would have thunk it? Oh, that one's snug. Alright. Guess we have to pull that off, right? But how are we going to do a big reveal? Alright, pop her in, same way as we took it out. Ready? Holy crap, look at that. That's amazing. Alright, these you don't have to do much because they're in there. Well, you do got to lock them in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and put these on. Pretty straightforward. Clicky clack. Clicky clack. Like it, Leo. Put your pin back in. It goes in this way. Now it puts it in backwards. In it to win it. Holy, bright as the sun, Batman. That is spectacular. So if we compare, put this crap up here, you can see this was the old one and there's the new ones. Oh, they look pretty. Now there's an adjuster for these right here. I think it's lefty downy, righty uppy, or righty uppy down. You'll figure it out. But my driveway is as crooked as Hillary Clinton, so I ain't gonna be able to actually tune these till I get in front of a garage or something that's flat. I could do that at work, or I can just go on the highway and check it out. But let's go do the other one. Check it out. Peeling, peeling, peeling. Recycle. Peeling. Peeling. Oh, here comes the neighbors. They're gonna make fun of me for shooting videos.
I think when you're done with your truck, you're gonna go mine next. Man, work, no play, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Alright, the sticker's peeling easier on this one. Slightly. Recycle. Okay. That came off cleaner. Hey, why is this one not blue?
That's how you won't mix them up, Jim Bob.
Maybe so. Putting new gaskets on. Gaskets. Recycle. Gaskets. recycle. Give these a wipe. Well, I'm going to play only a bigger deal. Recycle. It's not freaking rocket science. Bam! Put the other one in. The reason I was having trouble last time is I forgot there's tabs down here that these go into. So you kind of have to fish it and then drop it. Drop it into those tabs. With having the wires connected to it too. These are GK China lights. But who am I kidding? Everything's made in China these days. Now that I knew about those tabs, it was easy to drop in. Oh look, there's a lock place where this goes, right there. I didn't see that on the other side. Look what I did, all Jim Bobish. Hey Jim Bob! Recycle. Okay, so let's back up and see how this looks.
Dang, you said you got those on the internets?
There you have it, night and day transformation. Oh, what am I gonna do with these? Don't know. I can tell you though, these weigh a lot more than those. Does it mean quality? Don't know. We'll find out. These have the halogens. I'm not going to throw them in the yard. Pull these out and then I'll throw them in the yard. Maybe I should turn them on to see if they work. Let's do that. They're lit. I'm blinded. All right, looks great. Like I said, I will, there's a screw on top to set the height on those. I'll check out later. Like I said, this driveway's crooked as all heck Mary, so we'll do that later. Go watch some other YouTube videos. They'll show you how to do it. Hey, if you like this video and want to see more, hit like or comment in the comments. Want me to fix some other stupid things on this truck? Let me know and I'll do it. You know what I mean? I don't know. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Have a great one, and do your work yourself. Save yourself some money.